Nosotros los estamos escuchando bien a los dos en este instante.
Okay, gracias.
Selma says that
I heard. Okay, thank you.
as
I
well.
understood. Okay, so let's go further then.
Okay. Bueno, vamos más adelante.
So now we're doing like request of Jerison Noahide friendly laws of Lashon Hara.
Bueno, ahora atendemos a la solicitud de Gerson de que hablemos de las leyes de la Shonja que sean aptas para no ágidas.
Okay. And I don't know. I mean, the basis of why Noahide not talking Lashon Hara is because we know that Hashem hates Lashon Hara.
La base para no hablar la Shonjara es porque sabemos que a Hashem no le gusta, lo odia.
Okay, and yesterday we learned some of the Musar about it, and
Ayer aprendimos algo de Musar al respecto.
okay, and we know it says things like they can't even enter into they're not even allowed into the court and up in heaven, and
En mis notas,
we know, not me notice, we know. Hello? Yo no escucho nada
could you repeat it since it was broken?
Okay, maybe that's on my end, the internet's not good. So we know, because of the sukkah, it's not so good. So we know that they're not even allowed in. The sages tell us that they're not even allowed into the court of up in heaven. Hello. No
Entonces
escucha.
sabemos que no se les permite entrar a la corte en el cielo.
The sages tell us.
Los sabios nos dicen,
That's what they tell us.
can't hear you.
I just said that's what they tell us. It's not their fault. There's something. The connection's not good on it.
La imagen se me ha congelado.
Sí, yo creo que es el internet del rap. Es que hay momentos en que se le va la comunicación. Es como si se le fuera la voz.
Yo veo que está ahí.
Ahí salí, volví a entrar, pero no veo al Rab.
De Raf está freeze, congelado.
Ok. Rab, no lo vemos. Ya salió.
Yo logro verlo.
Salió el Raf.
Sí,
Me parece que está entrando y saliendo.
yo creo que va a cambiar el lugar de la reunión porque desde la azúcar no tiene muy buen internet. Entonces, tenemos que tener paciencia, queridos compañeros.
Okay,
Muy bien,
ahora.
Raf.
Okay, ahora sí.
Bien.
Okay, continúa.
Continuamos. Ujú.
Okay, and ese Lashon Hara, si es verdad, es también Lashon Hara.
Y si la Shonjara es hablado con alguna verdad, también es la Shonjara.
Okay. And if it's not true, then it's even worse. If there's falsehood and mixed in, it's even worse.
Pero si hay falsedad mezclada en ello, es aún peor.
Okay, and even if your father or your teacher tries to get you to say lashon hara, you're not. That's not. You're not allowed.
Aún si tu padre o tu maestro te forzaran a decir la Hara, no, no lo
Even
hagas.
if it's small, only if it's a small little piece of lashon hara.
Aún si fueras tan solo una parte muy pequeña de la Hara.
Or if you lose your job and stuff like that, you're not allowed. You're not allowed.
O aunque pierdas el trabajo, no tienes permitido hablar mal.
Okay, and whether it's in writing or verbal or even sign language or hinting, all of those, that's lashon hara.
Y no importa que sea solo hablando como dando pistas o hablando por el lenguaje de señas del mudo, del sordomudo. Es la Hara.
Right. It doesn't matter if a lot of people hear it, like you say lashon hara to 100 people. That doesn't make it better. It makes it worse. Over time.
Y esto no importa si sean 100 gentes las que escuchen, lo hace aún peor.
The Chafetz Chaim says.
Lo dice el Hafetz Haim.
Just that if something is considered known already, so then it could be it's not lashon hara.
Solo si el tema hablado es ya del dominio público, no se considera tanto la Hara.
But still, the Chafetz Chaim said you're never allowed to talk if your intentions are malicious, albeit, no matter what.
Pero nunca se nos está permitido hablar si las intenciones son malévolas, maliciosas,
Even if something is well known.
aunque lo que hable sea bien conocido.
All right. Okay, but if you're gonna say if it's only known to, let's say, God-fearing people or his relatives or whatever, people who won't talk, it's not considered known.
Y el asunto solo es conocido por gente que no habla la Hara.
What?
Entonces,
Again,
a ver, otra vez.
sorry. I don't think it was going in the right direction. Again,
Okay.
if something is not considered, if something was spoken to God-fearing people,
Si algo fue dicho ante personas temerosas de Hashem
or the person's relatives,
o los familiares de la persona de quien se está hablando,
so even if there's a lot of people there, it's still not considered known.
aunque lo sepan, still it's not considered what?
It's not considered known.
No, ok. Aún así, no debes de pensar que el tema es conocido.
Because God-fearing people are not going. Even if there's 100 God-fearing people, if there's 100 people there, still they're not going. The God-fearing people won't talk. We're not going to talk about it.
Porque aun si fueran 100 personas temerosas de Hashem, ellas no hablarían de eso. Entonces no puedes asumir que lo conozcan el tema.
Okay. Also, you're not allowed to spread the information to someplace that is not known yet.
Tampoco se nos está permitido desparramar la información hacia lugares donde todavía no se sabe nada al respecto.
Okay, and then some people think if you talk lashon hara in front of the person, it makes it better.
Hay personas que creen que si hablan la shonjara de alguien frente a esa persona, de alguna manera no es tan malo, lo hace mejor,
Right.
menos malo.
Then, right, but that's completely not. The Chafetz Chaim says that makes it even worse because then you also not only lashon hara, but you also embarrass him.
Pero el Hafez Haim dice que no es así, porque en realidad uno lo hace aún peor, porque está avergonzando a la persona.
Right. Also, you could talk in a way that through a process of elimination, people can figure out who you're talking about.
Y además, porque lo puedes hacer de tal forma que por el proceso de eliminación, las personas sepan de quién estás hablando.
Right. So over there, I mean, sometimes you could talk about something that happened as if you don't mention any names. I mean,
Entonces ahí uno puede hablar de algo que
I didn't say
sucedió.
ahí means over there. I didn't
Oh,
say over there. Yeah.
ok, ok.
You can talk about something that happened without mentioning somebody's name.
Perdón, quitamos el ahí. Uno puede hablar de lo sucedido sin mencionar nombres.
Right. But if by process of deduction they're going to figure it out, so then you're not allowed to do that.
Pero si por el proceso de la deducción ellos van a adivinar de quién hablas, pues entonces mejor no decirlo.
Right. Even if according to your assessment, the person won't be harmed by whatever you're going to say. You're not allowed to say it.
Aun si por tu estimación calculas que la persona no va a resultar lastimada, no lo puedes hacer.
Okay, and you're not allowed to jump to conclusions and assume that somebody did some bad things. Whatever.
Y no podemos brincar a conclusiones de que alguien hizo algo malo.
Okay, now what's the basis for Noachide to do this? I mean, for a
Ahora,
Jew, okay, we understand. I mean,
entonces,
hello,
¿cuáles
hello?
son las bases para que un no ágida lo reciba? Porque sabemos que para los judíos es ley.
Right, because we have love your fellow like yourself. It says in the Torah. I mean,
En la Torá dice, ama a tu prójimo como a ti mismo.
right, and but for a non-Jew, we know also that that Hashem loves everybody. That we know.
Pero para un no judío sabemos que Hashem ama a todo mundo.
And so therefore you don't have a right, even to judge another person favorably is a certain respect for other human beings that Hashem would want.
Hablar o respetar a los otros
No,
seres humanos.
to judge somebody favorably.
Oh, se me
Sorry, it got cut off. Judging somebody favorably
juzgar a alguien más favorablemente
is something that Hashem would want.
es algo que a Hashem le gustaría o lo quisiera,
Because that's a basic decency that you give to another person.
porque esa es una muestra de decencia que nos daríamos unos a otros.
Okay, unless you know already the criminals. If you know the criminals, then you have to assume that the criminals, whatever.
O menos de que sepas ya que son criminales, entonces asumiremos que son criminales.
Right. So people, you have an idea of certain neighborhoods, certain places, whatever. Those are criminals, so be careful.
Ya tenemos una idea de ciertos barrios o localidades donde debemos tener cuidado.
Right. And there's that somehow being careful, being on guard doesn't contradict judging favor. They
Being on guard, what does
Yeah.
it?
does not contradict.
I'm sorry, I'm not getting the last part.
Being on guard or being careful.
Nope, didn't get that.
Being careful
Estar con cuidado
does not contradict judging favor.
no contradice el juzgar favorablemente.
So you have to somehow do both at the same time.
Entonces, de alguna forma, tenemos que poder hacer las dos al mismo tiempo.
The sages say honor him and suspect him both at the same time.
Los sabios dicen honrar y sospechar al mismo tiempo.
No, not suspicion. Honor and wait. No, you're right.
Ah.
You said it right. Yeah. No, you said it right. I said it wrong.
Ok,
You said it.
está bien dicho.
Good. Okay, and even if it's clear to you that the person's doing various things, you're not
I'm not able to understand.
even
I-
if it's clear to you
Aún si está claro para mí
that the person's doing bad things,
que la persona está haciendo cosas malas,
you can't just go out and tell whoever you want.
eso no te da permiso de ir por ahí diciéndolo a quien tú quieras.
Okay, it doesn't matter how big or small.
No importa si es un asunto grande o chico.
Okay, 'cause maybe
I'm not hearing.
it's not coming
I
through.
can see your
Possibly think
now.
you may don't worry about it. Just if you hear me translate, you may possibly think that
Uno pudiera pensar que
if it's so small, it doesn't matter. You could talk about it.
es algo tan pequeño, tan insignificante, que puedo hablar de ello.
Okay, you may not speak as a joke.
Uno no podría hablar la Shonjara
As a joke. Hello?
as a what?
Hello?
As a what?
A joke. A joke. Small. Joke.
Uno no puede hablar la Shonjara como si fuera parte de un chiste.
Alright. People, in order so people shouldn't be harmed, then you're allowed to tell people that.
Pero para evitar que las personas sean lastimadas, salgan heridas, entonces está permitido hablar.
Okay, let's say somebody's a thief or whatever, and you
Digamos que hay por allí un ratero
want to warn people about it.
y
Hello?
queremos advertirle a las personas de ello.
Okay. Okay, and only when somebody gets to the point where he sins kind of like publicly without caring about anybody else, then you could talk about such a person.
Solo cuando la persona esté pecando con descaro enfrente de todo mundo es que se nos permite hablar de ello.
Right. Also to make fun of them and to
También hacer chiste de ellos.
Okay, even if a person has bad character, you're not allowed to talk about them.
Aun si la persona tiene un mal carácter, no se nos permite hablar de ello.
Okay, however, there's a rule that says that you may talk to your children or your students
Pero también hay una regla que dice que se nos permite hablar con nuestros hijos, con nuestros alumnos,
in order to teach them how not to be, how that the lessons of life, how not to behave.
con el objeto de enseñarles las lecciones de vida, de cómo no deben de comportarse.
Okay, and of course the intention of the teacher has to be, or the parent has to be, only no negative aspect there, only for this reason.
Y claro que las intenciones no deben de tener un aspecto negativo, solo las de enseñar.
Okay, and if somebody is gonna make a business partnership with somebody, so you're allowed to, if they ask you, you're allowed to tell them,
Si alguien va a entrar en asociación para negocios con alguien no recomendable, se nos tiene permitido advertirle.
right, or let's say a marriage, like a engagement, whatever, that kind of thing, a marriage.
O quizás que esté por entrar en un compromiso marital, en un matrimonio.
Okay, and you're allowed to inquire about these things. You have permission to inquire from people
También
information.
tenemos permiso para indagar sobre estas cosas,
Okay,
sobre estas
but
cuestiones.
you have to tell people explicitly what the basis of what you're doing is.
Pero tiene uno que declarar cuáles son las bases para hacer lo que estás por hacer.
That means you have to tell them, listen, I'm considering a partnership, a business partnership with this person. Do you think it would be a good idea?
O sea, la persona tendría que decir, miren, estoy considerando asociarme en negocios con tal persona. ¿Habrá algo que yo deba saber?
Good, and because if you don't do it that way, if you do it like as if you're just making a conversation, then you kind of like a trick or tricking the other person into talking lashon hara.
Porque de no hacerlo así, sería como hacerle una trampa al otro para hacerlo hablar la shonjara.
Okay, so maybe for you it's not a sin, but for the other person it will be kind of a sin.
En ese caso, para el que está solicitando información pudiera no ser pecado, pero sí está provocando que el que dé la información caiga en la shonjara.
Okay, and don't ask information about the business partner from people who already are biased and maybe biased against that person.
No
Again,
solicitemos información, no solicitemos información de una persona que ya está predispuesta en contra de la persona de la que queremos la información.
right? Because then you're going to end up just instigating lashon hara. That's
Porque terminaremos solo instigando la shonjara.
okay. Even other like natural qualities that are part of the nature of a person, you're not allowed to, that also counts as lashon hara.
Las cualidades naturales de la persona también cuentan como la shonjara.
Like tall, short, rich, poor.
Cosas como ser rico, pobre, alto, chaparrito, bajito.
Rich, poor.
rico, pobre.
Even if these things are true, you're not allowed to tell people about this.
Aunque todo esto sea verdad, no tenemos permiso de hablar de ello.
Okay, and you have to, if something is negative, you have to evaluate that person. I mean,
Si hay algo negativo, tendremos que
no, if
valorar.
something to consider, to weigh whether something is negative, it goes according to the evaluation of that person.
Considerar algo negativo va a ir de acuerdo a la manera de juzgar o valorar de la otra persona.
Right. For example, if you say about a poor person that he gave $100 for charity, that's a good thing.
Por ejemplo, si hablamos de una persona pobre que dio cierta cantidad de dinero a la caridad, if,
Right.
if they
I
gave
said
money,
$100. I said $100.
ok, $100, que haya dado un pobre $100 en caridad.
So that's a good thing. That's like a compliment.
Eso es algo bueno, es como un elogio.
But if you talk about a millionaire and you say he gave $100, so then that may be a negative thing. That may be like lashon hara.
Pero si decimos lo mismo de un millonario, allí no sería elogiarlo, sería algo negativo.
All right. You talk about somebody's merchandise either.
Sorry.
You're not allowed to talk about. I'm sorry. You're not allowed to talk about somebody's merchandise.
No tenemos permiso de hablar de las mercancías de alguien
Or properties. I mean,
o de sus propiedades,
unless somebody needs it for, unless it's needed because a person wants to purchase or whatever.
a menos de que alguien lo necesite comprar.
Okay, and so all right. So far we did on the end of the person talking the lashon hara.
Hasta aquí hemos visto lo que es hablar la shonjara.
Okay, and then but there's another end to it, the receiving end. I mean,
Pero hay otro punto, el punto de recibir esa la shonjara.
right. And if you receive, so then it's also you do harm to the world. If you accept all the fake news that you hear, you do harm to the world.
Si nosotros recibimos y aceptamos todas las noticias falsas, hacemos un daño al mundo.
To accept it is true. I mean,
Por aceptarlo.
that's true. Accept it as true.
Aceptarlo como
Hello?
verdad.
So you have to be able to hear things.
Aceptarlo
If
como
you're here, of course, you're not supposed to hear. First of all, you're not supposed to listen at all.
Bueno, primero que nada se supone que no debemos escucharlo.
Right. But if you hear, then you have to be able to say, you have to be able to flip the switch in your mind and say, that has nothing to do with the conclusion that I come to.
Pero si lo llegamos a escuchar, debemos de poder decir, no tiene nada que ver con la conclusión a la que yo estoy llegando.
Right. You're not allowed to put it into like the truth, the box of truth in your mind and say, you believe this.
No debemos de archivarlo en la caja de las verdades
Okay. And you should never
dentro de
ever,
nuestra mente.
right, never
Y
ever play this game where you think that you can hear and then you'll be fine. You'll put it into the right box in your mind.
Y nunca hemos de engañarnos diciendo que yo puedo escucharlo y lo voy a archivar donde va, no en donde va la verdad.
Right. But because who knows, you'll be influenced a certain amount. You could be influenced. That's all.
porque no sabemos, pudiéramos llegar a quedar influenciados en cierta medida.
Okay, this is true for all such things. You never should go anywhere where you can hear any negative things because you could be influenced by it.
Y esto es verdad de que no debemos ir a ninguna parte donde pudiéramos llegar a ser influenciados negativamente,
Where you know there is negative stuff over there, spitting around, Facebook, YouTube, all these places.
donde sabemos que va a haber cosas negativas escupidas por a Tony Son, como en Facebook y en YouTube.
Or whatever it is, wherever the places are. I don't know exactly how it's working. Wherever these places are, you're not supposed to go there.
O donde quiera que estos lugares estén, no debemos ir ahí.
Right. You're not supposed to say, I can survive it. I'll put everything into the right box.
No debemos de decir, oh, yo puedo sobrevivir esto, yo lo sé archivar en el lugar correcto.
All right. Okay. If it concerns your business or whatever it is, then you're allowed to listen.
Y esto tiene que ver con tu negocio, entonces puedes escuchar.
Right. But then you have to do what, like we said, you have to put things into the right box, not automatically just jump to conclusions and accept what these people have to say.
Y entonces hemos de poner las cosas en el lugar apropiado, archivado dentro de nosotros.
Right. Another possibility is if you can listen to people and by listening to them influence them to convince them about to come to a different conclusion. That's another possibility.
Escuchar para llegar a influenciar a otros que también escuchan para llegar a una conclusión diferente de
Right.
la que
Also,
está
sometimes
proponiendo el
right.
que habla la Shonjara.
Sometimes it helps that you can listen. Somebody can be listened to, and when they feel listened to, they'll calm themselves down. They'll go. The number of anger will calm way down, and you'll influence them to have less lashon hara in the world.
Hay ocasiones en que la persona que está hablando, al ser escuchada, reduce esa intensidad que trae dentro y ayuda el escucharlos.
No, it helps that he would then not spill out more and more lashon hara. It'll be reduced to much smaller amount of lashon hara that he spills out of him.
Al sentirse escuchado, puede reducir la cantidad de la Hara que estaba dispuesto a esparcir, a
Right. So then,
decir.
if so, then listening to him in that case is a positive. Is positive.
En esos casos, escucharlo sería algo positivo.
Okay, but still, of course, that you don't accept what he says. You listen without accepting.
Pero aún así, no hemos de aceptar lo que dice.
Okay, and if people start talking lashon hara, so the first thing to do is get up and leave.
Y si la persona está empezando a hablar la Hara, lo que debemos hacer es ponernos de pie y retirarnos.
Right. Or if you have those, if you can't leave, then maybe you have those earphones. You could put it in and start listening to something.
Y si uno no se puede retirar, tal vez pueda ponerse de esos audífonos para no escuchar.
Right, and you could act as if it's something important and you have to do it, whatever.
Y uno puede hacer como que tiene algo importante que hacer y no prestar atención.
All right. And then, but if you can't, if this you can't do either, so then you have to only be strong and not allow yourself to accept what the person says.
Pero si aún esto no lo puede llevar a cabo, entonces debe de ser fuerte para resistir.
And you shouldn't be happy about hearing it.
Y no debiéramos de estar contentos de escucharlo.
And you shouldn't benefit only as if you agree.
Y no debemos de hacer muecas o manifestarnos como que estamos de acuerdo con la persona que habla. Ashonjara.
Okay. But you're allowed to accept what people are saying on the level of being suspicious.
Pero podemos, you are allowed to,
To accept what people are saying on the level of being suspicious.
se nos tiene permitido aceptar lo que ellos dicen, pero solo a nivel de sospecha.
Right. And that means not conclude, only it's not a conclusion, it's only a maybe.
O sea que esto no es una conclusión, es solo un tal vez.
Okay. And so that's what we said. You have to honor them and suspect them at the same time.
Y entonces esto es de lo que hablábamos. Hay que honrarles y al mismo tiempo sospechar.
If you already accepted Lashon Hara, then you have to somehow vomit it out, the Lashon Hara, out of your system somehow.
Y si ya lo habías aceptado, tendrás que hacer algo como vomitarlo fuera de tu sistema.
Okay, because you already in your mind, you already accepted this as true, but you have to push it away from being true in your mind not into a doubt.
Porque en tu mente ya lo habías aceptado como verdad, pero lo tienes que expulsar de ti.
You have to push it away from the box of true, accepting it as true.
Lo tienes que sacar de esa caja que lo aceptó como verdad.
And push it into the doubt, in a place of doubt in your mind.
Y empujarlo a ese sitio de duda en nuestra mente.
Okay, it's not so easy to do, push things around in your mind somehow.
No, no es tan fácil de hacer, empujar cosas fuera de nuestra mente.
I didn't say forever, in your mind. I didn't say forever. It's hard to push things
Bueno,
around in your mind.
es difícil manipular o reacomodar las cosas dentro de nuestra mente,
When
no
you try to
fuera,
push things,
dentro.
when you try to push around your mind, you see that your mind doesn't like to be pushed around. You discover. Hello, hello?
Cuando uno empieza a tratar de hacer arreglos adentro de la mente, nos damos cuenta de la resistencia de nuestra propia mente.
The mind doesn't like to be pushed around.
No le gusta a nuestra mente que la andemos ordenando.
Okay, and so if you hear things in the newspapers, you're not supposed to automatically assume it's true.
Entonces, si escuchamos cosas en el periódico o leemos, no debemos asumir inmediatamente que eso es verdad.
Okay, even if something has 1,000,000 likes, you can't assume that it's true.
Aunque algo tenga 1,000,000 de likes, no vamos a pensar que es verdad.
Okay, and you can clarify if you have circumstantial evidence and whatever, it can be clarified to you that something is true. I mean, it's possible if you put all the evidence together.
Es posible que al armar toda la evidencia y juntarla, es posible que, que lleguemos a una conclusión de que es verdad.
Right. Still, even if something is true, 100%. So good, you concluded that it's true. Okay, but still, you're not allowed to talk about it. Just like that, you don't have permission to talk, even if something's true.
Entonces tú, al escuchar y al razonar, concluyes que eso que se te dijo es verdad. Ok, es verdad en tu mente, pero eso no te da permiso a esparcir esa verdad.
Because even if you see things, even if you see something with your own two eyes, you're not allowed to talk about. You don't have permission to talk about.
Porque aun cuando veas que algo es muy ah, claro, no tenemos por qué hablar de ello,
Even
no
if you
tenemos
see something with
permiso
your
para
own two
hablar de ello.
eyes, even if you see with your own two eyes, you're still
Aun,
not allowed to talk about.
aun si lo hubiésemos visto con nuestros propios 2 ojos, no tenemos permiso de hablar de ello.
Okay, and okay, because the first, because first, even if you see, let's say you see somebody stealing.
Aun si vemos, por ejemplo, a alguien robar,
So first of all, you shouldn't jump to conclusions at that point and because it makes you 100% sure. You're 100% sure that he stole, and you have to make sure.
ahí no podemos brincar a concluir que él robó o tienes que estar 100% seguro.
Okay, and if there's a possibility of approaching if there's a possibility of approaching the person himself and trying to get him out of the thing, so then that's the first thing you're supposed to do.
Hay una posibilidad de, de llegar a la verdad.
Not you
Ah,
got to
could you
to
say it
approach
again?
the person, to approach that person. Sorry, it didn't come out clear. To approach that person and
Sí,
and get him to stop this behavior.
no, perdón, era si hay una posibilidad de acercarnos a la persona y hacerla parar de realizar esta conducta de la Shonjara, lo
Not
debemos
lashon
hacer.
hara, his act, that whatever he did, like the theft.
Ah, no, no la conducta de la Shonjara, sino la conducta del robo o de lo que haya hecho mal.
Okay, and if that's not a possibility, then you can approach already the authorities.
Y si eso no es una posibilidad, entonces debemos de acercarnos hacia la autoridad.
Okay, and you can't, but you have to make it when you tell them, it has to be only exactly. You can't make it bigger than what it is.
Y cuando lo reportemos, tendrá que ser tal y como fue. No le podemos agregar.
And also, your intentions have to be pure, not for hatred.
Y también nuestras intenciones deben de ser puras, no de odio.
And you have to try to do it to affect the situation in the minimal way that you possibly can. Not go to the police right away, whatever. Go to his relatives first, whatever it is.
Y lo debemos de hacer de una manera que la policía no sea lo primero que busquemos, tal vez sus familiares.
But you have to be smart in each situation to figure out what the best way is.
Pero debemos de ser listos para averiguar qué es lo mejor para hacer en cada situación.
Okay, and if somebody is a known wicked person, then you can conclude already that whatever he did is no good.
Si ya la persona es conocida como malvada, entonces podemos asumir que lo que hizo no está bien, que hizo lo no correcto.
Okay. All right. So more or less, I think we did a kind of a summary of the laws. I would say
Bueno,
that we did.
creo que hicimos algo del resumen de las leyes.
Okay. We can
Isabel
see
has a question. Elisheva.
I see.
Elisheva dice, ¿y qué pasa cuando tenemos malos pensamientos de alguien a pesar de todo lo que estamos intentando justificar respecto a algo que puede hacer mucho daño a los demás? What happens if
Yeah.
we still have bad thoughts about somebody that we are trying to justify? This in respect to something that could harm some others.
Bad thought itself is not the act of lashon hara.
Los pensamientos malos en sí no son lashon hara.
And it could be a sign of accepting lashon hara if maybe you accepted lashon hara.
Pudiera ser una señal de lashon hara si aceptamos lashon hara.
Well, it could be a sign that you have accepted lashon hara.
Pero puede
Not
eso de los
pero.
pensamientos
Pero.
ser un
I'm saying whatever you said didn't come out right, so I'm trying to say it again. If you say
ah,
pero, you'll create one big giant confusion because nobody will understand that you're trying to say it over again.
vamos repitiendo. Borro el pero.
Again, I
Sí,
forgot what I said. What I was going to say.
esto puede ser una evidencia de que ya hemos aceptado lashon hara.
Oh, very good. Excellent. And so that you have to try to push away. If it's true that that's the situation, then you have to try to push it into the different box in your mind somehow.
Y esto es verdad. Entonces debemos esforzarnos por acomodarlo en una cajita diferente en nuestra mente.
Right, but if it's not that situation, that means you saw it with your own eyes that they did harm to you. So then it's a different kind of situation.
Pero si el daño te lo hicieron a ti, lo viste con tus propios ojos, esto es ya una situación diferente.
Right, and so over there, the only thing is don't have to talk about it to somebody who doesn't have to know about it.
Entonces, en esos casos, de lo que te tienes que cuidar es de no hablarlo con alguien que no necesita saberlo.
Okay. That funny.
Sí.
So Jefferson says something about this grinning face. That's like a sign of somebody talking lashon hara.
Yes. But before that, he says, si están hablando lashon hara en Telegram, puedes enviar este sticker. If you see somebody speaking or writing
Okay,
lashon hara
okay.
on Telegram,
Yeah.
you can send them that.
Yeah, forgive me, it's a little late, so it's we don't do you can't.
Ah,
There's no
bueno.
time for the translations. Está bien,
Bueno, ya
escucha.
a alguien que nos alerte de alguien que está haciendo y diciendo para dañar a nuestro negocio o algo muy querido que para nosotros es importante. So is it good to hear information that regards our business or loved ones that could be harmed?
Yes. You're allowed to hear in that case.
Sí, sí,
And
Elisheva, puedes escuchar en esos casos.
but you still don't have to put it into the box of conclusion of truth, only suspect box. Suspicion.
Pero aún en esos casos, no lo archives en el departamento de verdades en tu mente. Déjalo bajo sospecha.
Okay.
Ok,
And the
Elisheva,
next question,
¿está
yeah, you
bien si
don't have to
alerto a las personas respecto a gente con malas actitudes o tiene actitudes dañinas?
yes. Yes.
Sí, está bien, está bien. ¿Qué hacemos si
The-
alguien está dañando algo que nosotros queremos? Ah, ¿y qué pasa si la persona daña,
Wait. What does
dañina?
it mean? Que nosotros queremos. What does that mean?
Espere. What do we do if somebody is hurting someone that we love or something that we love?
The person doesn't know about it. Know that they're being hurt.
Aquella persona es que era más bien algo. It was something, not someone. Sorry.
What? Something?
Dañando. They were hurting something, not someone that
Yeah,
we
but
love.
that's not. It doesn't have to do with the categories of lashon hara. I mean, we this has to do with I don't know. You're allowed to try to stop somebody from doing something that's doing harm. I mean,
Tenemos permitido parar a alguien que está causando daño. ¿Qué pasa
I
si la
don't know
persona dañina
her question is something like, should she go to the police? That's a question.
¿Será que tu pregunta es si debes ir a la policía?
I don't know.
¿Que están dañando algo de tu propiedad? Bueno, Isabel también pregunta, ¿qué pasa si la persona dañina se justifica en sus acciones y modifica la verdad a su favor? ¿Debemos descubrirla? What
What's the
happens if
question?
that
What is
person
it? You
that's
don't have to
doing the
translate the whole thing.
harm,
Just translate debemos descubrirla. What does that mean?
should we uncover her? Should we uncover that person, the evil that she's doing,
You have to be.
justifying and manipulating the truth?
Whenever you uncover, you have to be smart. Where and when and how. Hello?
Siempre que vayas a descubrir a alguien, tienes que ser muy inteligente con respecto al cómo, al qué y al cuándo.
Very good. Thank you.
Karina, hay personas a las que se le dice estás hablando la Hara y se lo toma de mala manera, se resiente y reacciona de manera reactiva. ¿Qué podemos hacer con esas personas? What can
Stay
we
away
do
from
with
them.
persons that
Stay away from them. Stay away from them.
Retírate de esas personas, Karina. Isabel,
And
con
it's
respecto a
not. It's
una
not
falta
worth
que
it. It's
nos
not. Wait.
puede...
I'm trying to answer more. Forgive me. It's not
Ok,
worth it.
más respuesta para Karina.
It's not worth it telling them anything because you know that they're not going to listen. So you don't tell people things. People who are not going to listen to you, you don't tell them.
No vale la pena hablar con una persona así de algo si ya sabes que no lo va a recibir. Okay, so Elisheva was talking in regards at a fault that's been committed and it does affect us personally.
So what can you do about it? That's the question. What can you do about the situation?
Yes. ¿Qué hacemos con esa situación?
You're allowed to do something. The question is what? What should you do?
Tenemos permiso de actuar, pero ¿qué es lo que hemos de hacer?
What? So that you have to see the situation. What could you possibly do anyhow?
Entonces debemos de estimar la situación y ver qué es lo que está o es posible hacer.
Okay, we got to stop for the class.
Bueno, ya debemos de parar la clase.
Okay, thank you for your translations. And
Gracias, Raf, por enseñar.
And God willing, we'll do soon, very soon, we'll do Musar.
Y con la ayuda del Eterno y su voluntad haremos al rato más musar.
Okay. Shalom.
Shalom.
Xag